right, Pontiac fans, we have a beauty for you here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1967 Pontiac Firebird Pro Touring Coupe, LS1 power, 5.7 liter V8, 6-speed manual transmission. It's actually 530 horse, 442 actually to the rear wheels. Powertrains from a 99 Firebird. Has power steering, power brakes, Willwood, slotted and disc rotors. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Chin spoiler. As far as the color on this car, to me it's a perfect color to do a 67 Firebird in. Very similar to like a Verdoro green with kind of a smoky look to it. It's stunning in person, looks as good as it does in the pictures and videos. Speaking of the pictures, check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's riding on these beautiful CCW polished wheels. There you can see the slotted and drilled rotors and Willwood calipers. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, anything major. This car will turn some heads, bring home some trophies. There's no doubt in my mind about that. That's kind of a parchment color interior, so again, harkens back to the original Gen 1 Firebirds, but yet, check that out, 99 Firebird bucket seats up front, center console, that 6-speed manual, aftermarket stereo Kenwood installed, and nicely done, very tasteful. Ride Tech suspension, adjustable coilovers on the rear. Also has a Mosher 12 bolt rear end, 373 rear gear ratio. Check out the chrome in the rear bumper. And take a look at the width of the tires in the back too. Like I said, this car looks great from every angle. The stance of it, the rear of it. Detroit Speed mini tubs, as well as frame connectors. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Technician did note the brakes are 90% front and rear. This is originally a Southern car. There is a folder full of receipts, manuals, information on the build of this car. When we get underneath the hood, again, it's that LS1 5.7 liter power. Does have headers, 3-inch stainless exhaust, trick flow aluminum heads. Runs on E85. And again, this one will put some power to the rear wheels. And we will start it up, let you hear it run in just a second here. We'll take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around at the very end of this video, good day for Jason. He's going to get to take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Once again, really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches on the driver's side. If you're into Firebirds, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Prime example right here. Door panels also in that parchment color. Aftermarket speaker install, nicely done. I love these formed bucket seats and how they retrofitted them from a 99 TA into Gen 1 Firebird. Pretty cool. All right. Look at this, more modern gauges in it. If I can kind of get those to focus for you, you'll be able to check that all out in the still pictures. Let's fire it up. Top of the dash looks good. Kenwood stereo system is working. As you can tell, we have great throttle response. All right, make sure we're in neutral. Take a look at that headliner quick. Visors side of the hood finished off as nicely as the rest of the car. And there it is. Aluminum radiator, electric fans. Remember, E85. Those trick floor aluminum heads. Custom paint under here to match the exterior. There's those headers. Heater does blow hot. Heater hoses are hooked up. It's like a custom made cold air intake. Tubular control arms. I don't think you could build this for what you can buy it for right now, and it's done. Get in, turn the key, go, have some fun. I know I would. This thing is a sweetheart. 1967 Pontiac Firebird Pro Touring car, that LS1 power and 6-speed manual transmission. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very nice 1967 Pontiac Firebird. I would lean towards calling this a resto mod with a late model power under the hood, 6-speed manual transmission. We got a Grant steering wheel and some nice looking aftermarket gauges. Wait for a little bit of traffic. Sounds very good. Looks very good. That color, that green really pops on this car. And the ram air hood, it's all good. This right here on the center console is our shifter. We're gonna see how she does. Sounds amazing. And I'm already speeding a little. We'll drop her in 6th. Cruising along a little over 55 at 1500 RPM. Very nice. All that power. Touchscreen Kenwood stereo in the dash. The wipers work on this car. Nice looking. The headliner looks good. The dash looks good. Complementing that great paint job on this car. I would say the suspension has been upgraded as well. It sticks to the road really nice. Stays nice and flat. Let's see what it sounds like shifting down a little bit. Very nice. Our fuel gauge shows 3/4 of a tank. The volts are charging at 14. Oil pressure is 50 psi, and the temperature is about 170 right now. I'm in second. This corner is really flat. Very fun to get on the throttle. Clutch feels good. Shifter's nice and short and good in all the ways you'd like. Comfortable aftermarket bucket seats that match the aesthetic very well. Check out all the pictures of this 67 Firebird Resto mod at uniqueclassiccars.com.